Hey guys, so I know a couple of you had questions about how I get my backgrounds into Canva, so let me show you how I do it. So when doing backgrounds, what you want to do, there's two ways, but we're going to go over how to do it looking up pictures on Google. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to look up a picture on Google of what it is exactly I want in the background. So for this particular one, I want a white wall and a wood floor. So that's what I'm going to look up. Okay, so I decided to go with this one because I like how clean it looks. It looks pretty neat. So I'm going to take that, open up a new Canva project, and I'm just going to drop it in there. I'm going to get it resized, upload the media. Boom. Loaded. And it's done. Drop it in there, resize. So this is me just resizing the photo. I'm getting rid of the little banner at the bottom that I don't need because it's not attractive for what we're trying to go for here. So that's what we're going to do. So now I'm just resizing. Next, I want to look up a rubber duck backdrop because I decided for this one, I'm going to do it like I'm doing a baby shower. So this is going to be a mock-up for a baby shower with rubber duckies, which was also what my son's baby shower was. He turns 1 on the 1st already. It's crazy. So this is the background that I decided to upload. It's just a little backdrop, so I'm going to press OK, let it upload. Then I'm going to drop it in, press it, do the background mover, resize it, move on to the next thing, the table. So I just want to get a yellow table, save it so it matches. Gonna drop that in there and resize it as well. Spinning, moving it. And I'm gonna duplicate this table so I don't have to go in and reload another one. Boom, dropped it. So next I want to get my baby blue chair covers and I want to put them in as well. So I'm gonna drop these into Canva. I apologize for all this stuff at the top. My phone is popping right now, child. This Dogecoin thing got my phone popping. But anyways, back to this design stuff. So yes, I just put my tables and chairs together, resizing tables and chairs to make sure everything looks good. So now I just want to find a what? I want to find a rubber duck centerpiece to put on there. And I also want to put some tassels, got my cups, everything uploaded so I don't have to get back online to download anything again. So now I'm just putting my rubber duck centerpieces on them. I'm going to put my little blue tassels on there and I'm going to speed it up so I can get that put on there and it's all cute. Ooh, child, I made a lot of mistakes doing this part, but you know, that's part of it. All I had to do was resize it and stuff. So now I'm getting my little rubber duck cup, duplicating those, putting them around, and now you see the little blue. This isn't blue, child. You see this little white balloon tower? I'm putting it in, so I had to drop it and move it to the background. So I wanted to move this so it was just in front of my backdrop because I don't want it in front of anything else. And this is how it ended up looking. Voila! Another quick tutorial.